Welcome back. I'm going to do drawing tutorial number 2, setting up views. It's a little vise, and when we're all done, it's going to look like this thing right here with a 3-view ortho, so that's top view, let's call it side view, and then front view. And then there's a sectional view indicated by this AA line through the, what did I just call this? The side view, the end view, the thing with the AA line on it. Then there's a detail of the top view with this indicated by this little B, circle with the B on it. And then there's an exploded view here, so it's good stuff. So I'll move this off to the side. Fusion's up, go to the data panel. Under basic training, under section 8, you'll find this grinder vise. Open that up. There it is. So you don't really need to save this because we're not going to be making any updates to the base design. So you don't really need to save it. But one thing to look at is if you go to this design drop down and change it to the animation workspace. All right, so click animation. There's an animation they've already done for you where they've set up this exploded view. And so you could do that animation tutorial if you want to see how that works, but I don't think it's really very hard. It looks like there's a button that you just click and it'll do auto explode. Anyway, there's that. So that's been set up. I'm going to go back to the design space. So that's all. The only reason we need to look at that is really to see that animation. All right, then we're going to make a new drawing. So you click the design button and go down to change to the drawing workspace. You want drawing from design. Let's see, we want ASME inches. We want to go C, paper size. I think that's it, and make sure you have full assembly clicked. Click OK. Throws this down, so our base view will throw it, we'll drop it right there. And then click, let's see, all the, so we want interference edges, and you might have to make some changes, because I've done this tutorial already, and it pulls up the defaults from the last time I did it, but check with the tutorial, make sure you're doing the right stuff. Okay. Okay, it does this, it matures into this, use the word mature, into this line drawing here. Now we want to add some projected view, so you click the projected view button. You need to select the parent, okay, and then from that it'll let you place these other views. So I'll place one there and one there, and then press enter to complete that, and they mature into line drawings. Next we can add a sectional view, and there's a button for that. Click that. You need to draw, well, first you need to select the parent view, which is this one. Then you need to draw a line through the middle of this, which is a little bit tricky. So, well, maybe it looks like you can just click a spot kind of anywhere. There's a midpoint snap happening there. I'm still trying to figure out how these snaps work on this thing. Let's see, there's midpoint, then midpoint. Let's see if I select this one. It's a little bit weird. I think that's what I want right there. You want it to go through the middle, but I don't really understand how these automatic snap modes work. Anyway, get it to look like that. And then I think I just want enter now. Yeah. Okay. You might have to play with that a little bit to get the arrows to go the right way. You might have to do it a couple of times. Anyway, I'm just gonna drop that down there and click OK. Okay, then time for a detailed view. You click the parent, we draw a circle basically, and in the drawing view dialog here, they want you to have, for style, they want you to have from parent. Although you could change it to these other styles, but the point is later we're going to change the parent's line style. So we'll pick style from parent and drop the detail view right there. Click OK. Right, it throws that down there. But when you go back to the parent and double click it to edit, you can change the line style to, for example, visible and hidden, and it changes the parent that you just selected as well as any views that were based off of that, which is this detail view. Okay, so it adds hidden lines to the detail view as well as the parent. The last thing is an exploded view, which is super cool. So that's considered a type of base view. So you start off by doing base view, but on the representation field in the dialog here, change it to exploded view. And in scale, change it to 1 to 3. And that's it. And they want you to use shaded with lines. I don't like that. I'm going to just do visible. I'm just going to do visible. And drop that thing there. And click OK. Throws that down there. Exploded view. It's way cool. And this exploded view comes from the animation in the original design. You know, that's the tutorial. I'm going to do one more thing though, because I just want to see if it works. I want to see if I can add parts on this exploded view. So I'm going to go up here to tables, click table. I'm going to click this exploded view as the drawing. Is that drawing view? Yeah, exploded view. And then I'm going to drop. I don't have anywhere to put it. I don't have anywhere to put it. I'm just going to put it right here. Oh, cool. That is neat. I like that. I guess I'd have to use a bigger piece of paper, and I don't know how to change that now. Oh, sheet size. Let's try D. Oh, I like it. Oh, sweet. Yeah, this is cool. All right. That's it. Hope that was useful for you. See you next time.